Hi, my name is Svetlana, and I'm one of Greg's recent students. I met Greg about a year ago, and he was part of GTA at that time. I saw how he was trading, and very quickly I knew that I wanted to become his student and learn how to trade, tip and run. Well, I think it took about a couple of months when I started his course, when I decided to test his strategy on my small 100 euro real account, and it took me, I don't know, a month or two to double and then to triple that account, so I could see his strategy definitely works. It's been now about 8 months. I now trade every day using this strategy, and I can actually travel the world. At the moment I'm in Asia, and I'm able to fund my expenses with trading. So I would definitely recommend that you subscribe to Greg's program, and you learn the way he teaches us to trade. I was attending all Greg's lessons. I was watching his lessons, and then I was attending every Monday live session that he was doing, and he's still doing for us. And I must say, each time I watch a lesson from Greg, I make notes, and each time I learn something new, I realized that I was still making notes even after months of watching his sessions, because Greg just knows so much and he can teach us so much. What else Greg does is he gives us a set of templates, indicators, all these extra things. They do help. They help to learn to read the market, the charts, and to know where the price will go most likely. In the past I was just looking at those charts, and now I can actually understand what I see and explain why things happen a certain way. So I hope that this helps someone, and I wish you the same success and good luck.